That's going to do a walk through the Pine Ridge Cemetery at night. It's in Birdsall Park in Winnipeg, Manitoba. So we'll walk through here. It's around 11 o'clock. So we can do a little walk through here. Thought it'd be pretty interesting. Nobody really does these videos. Got a nice memorial here. Well, some of the graves are pretty old. This one's 1908. You can see it's a newer headstone. Got some unmarked ones here. It's an old wood one. I guess people still come visit. There's some newer and old ones. Some solar lights set up. There's a little gnome here. Some of these are older. What's this one? I can't really make it out. A little gnome. I don't know why he's pointing the other way. Kind of damp outside. This old one here. Been through here in the day, so it'll be interesting to film at night. Got this old one. Somebody left some flowers and a little light here. This one's really old. Can't really make out the date anymore. 1880, I think. Another old one. It says 1882. The old ones seem to be in the back more. It's pretty quiet out here. The older ones. This one's 1934. Well, that's another old one. What is it? 19... Oh, it's really hard to tell. 1935 maybe. Some solar lights out this way. You can see the little dots. Oh, heard something. What was that? Hello? I hear some things out in the woods here. That's kind of weird. Probably just an animal. Some of these are newer. Trying not to walk over. Trying to be respectful here. Walk over it. Walk around. I just figured people enjoy this, nice place to see. It is open to the public. It does say at the beginning, come visit. Just respect the place. It is a graveyard. Be respectful of it. This one's 1932. Oh, it's a pretty big place. It goes on pretty far. A lot of these have these too. I don't know what those are called. It's almost like just cement. Some of them are big. Nice monument there. People still come by, put flowers. They're pretty old. Again, this is just in a park. Birds Hill Park. 1965. A lot of older ones here and newer ones. The further in, they're newer. This is just an open spot. Kind of dark. Just filming with my cell phone. Yeah, a lot of these are the 60s. Some nice big monuments. Somebody left a bottle of water for somebody. Probably for the flowers, I guess. You can see that. Just a bottle of water there. Some solar lights. If you see the little dots of lights, solar lights. Some of these are fairly newer. You can tell it's pretty dark out when I put it up to the sky. That's the first half, pretty much. It's kind of hard to see a lot. Should have brought a better light. I don't know, this is where the noise came from over here. I don't see anything. Probably just an animal, a deer or something. This is 1993. There's one of the solar lights there. These are all the newer ones. Some really nice monuments. People come take care of them still. Got this nice monument here. If you all want to read that, I'll hold it there. Dedicated to the glory of God and to honor the pioneers and people of this community, which was started in 1904, erected in 1981. A nice cross there. Can't really see it too much. It's a wrought iron cross. Go this way. There's another solar light. Whoa, what was that? Well, something just passed in front of me. I don't know if you saw it in the video. I just about walked into something. It was right here. Just missed it like it was a person. I don't know if I caught it on camera. I think that's about enough for me. I'm gonna go back to the car. That's pretty much it. There's another couple rows. Terrace. Nice, some nice fresh flowers on there. It does go in farther a little bit. A few more rows. We'll just go in there quick. Some smaller monuments too. A lot of big ones, nice ones. There's a couple there with pictures on them. I'm not going to zoom in on that. I don't want to show anybody's faces. This one was 1923. That's an old one. Well, it's unfortunate. That was just a little baby. I was kind of sad to see something like that. This one's kind of cool. It's got a marble cross in it, some marbles. That's pretty much it. There's just kind of another row here. I know during the day there was a gentleman that had a tombstone and he liked golf, so there was golf equipment on there. Also, that was nice. Must have really loved golf. That's some nice solar lights. Did you hear that? No, that's just a car. Just a car in distance. Somebody slammed their door. Again, it is a park, so there are people here. So it's always nice people still bring flowers. 2008. It's a nice one. I got some deers on there and some outdoor stuff. Some nice fresh flowers on that one. Oh, it's nice people are still visiting their loved ones. It's another nice one. Nice monument. And there's a couple more out here. Oh, there's just woods. There's just a fence. You can't really see it. Mr. Donald there. 1947, 1949, husband and wife. Some really nice stones here. It's about the last row here, I think. Got past this one, was another Kowalski. This one's nice. A little solar light. Some flowers. Just some people in the background if you hear any noise. Mary. Well, that's about it. Some benches for sitting. This is Nick and Stella, husband and wife again. 1989, 2003. This is kind of an older one. Just a stone and some little figurines. Oh, it's from Kropo Funeral Chapel. That's in Winnipeg. It's unmarked. Well, again, that's it. Let's go back out the gate here. Just get that gate for me. Yeah, so that, again, was the Pine Ridge Cemetery. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And talk to you later.